Go ahead.
Hi everybody, I'm Barry Costa from the Carpenter Cleaning Craftsman. This is Jerry Grant and John Sherry. Jerry's from Missouri, John's from Oklahoma. These two are proficient repair technicians as well as ICRA official carpet repair assessors. And we got great news. At the Experience tomorrow afternoon from 10:35 to 12:20 we have a training session where we're going to teach how to do some carpet repairs. And then on Friday,
there'll be 4 one-hour sessions during the trade show that you can sign up for and take your assessment.
and on Saturday,
And on Saturday, we also have 3 one-hour sessions during the trade show where you can be assessed.
So as simple as, and we have a special going on for $99, you can come. First of all, you can take the workshop for free, but when you get assessed for $99, you can get a certification that you'll be certified at the entry level, capable or proficient. You'll also get a written report of telling you where your strengths and weaknesses are so that you know what you need to practice on to become even better at repair. And these two gentlemen are going to assist me, and we'd love to see you at the Experience and love to have you guys get assessed.
In International Room B.